Hi, I'm doing something a bit different to what I normally do. I have these two figures, this one and this one, both from Mini Art. I've now made a start on this one. Still a bit more to do. I've shield completed. Now this one, which is this, is identical, exactly the same as this one, the body, in every way, even the gap down the leg. And yes, they do look very similar. I've had Mini Art in the past and I've been fairly pleased with it. Doesn't look much until you put it together. Even the head, face is identical. Now the only difference between the two is their arms. This one will be holding his shield, and his arm, this one, is a bit more bent where he's carrying his sword. The only other difference is the helmet. Apart from that, it's exactly the same figure, different colours, so I don't know what this one will look like once it's painted, whether it's going to look the same. They're both 1 to 16. I didn't know they were going to be the same when I got them, but this is a very bad fit. I've got to redo the strap of where his sword is, and the same it'll be on here because it's identical, the sword. The decals on the shield are slightly different. And as you can see from the photo, all the parts, they're identical. That's how, apart from his shield and the helmet. I didn't know this when I bought them, but whether anybody else has got a Mini Art figure similar to the Roman ones, whether they're all going to be the same, and they've just put a few different pieces in. So these are the two Mini Art figures I'm doing, just for something a bit different. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you again. Thank you.